Sempre il cavo rosso. Se avete dei dubbi, è il cavo rosso.
Now that's the
È
right.
giusto!
You freaked me out there. Do you feel any better now?
A little. Thanks for helping me. Just give me a minute.
Too much action for Arcadia?
Maybe not enough. This is kind of fun. Scary and stupid, but fun.
Let me know when you feel okay.
God, this power really messes with my head. Glad I feel normal again.
Ci troviamo alla discarica di Arcadia Bay. Purtroppo ho perso l'ultimo episodio che ho registrato e quindi non posso mostrarvelo, quindi cercherò in qualche modo di registrarlo, ma più avanti, perché questo gioco usa un sistema di autosalvataggio e per questo motivo non posso tornare indietro. Allora, parliamo con Chloe.
Okay. Looks like you're ready to lock and load.
I don't know about this.
Are you afraid of getting in trouble? Oh, boo-hoo, Max is afraid. I know you can handle this, and I'm here to guide you. Make me proud, sister.
Guai in vista.
Hey, it's Thelma and Louise. Or is it Bonnie and Clyde?
Excuse us, Frank.
Oh, sorry, Chloe. Don't let me get in the way of your bonding. I heard the gunshots and the breaking glass. It's cute that you're playing with guns. Just like me at your age.
We're not anything alike, man.
We both need money. In fact, you need it so bad, you owe me a shitload, don't you, Chloe? Huh?
You'll get your money.
Don't they all say that? You know, even when they're broke and acting tough? What are you hiding there, girlie? Let me see.
Where did you get that bracelet?
A friend, and it's none of your goddamn business. You're my business now.
That's
and
Rachel's bracelet. Why the fuck are you wearing her bracelet?
Calm yourself, all right? It was a gift.
No, it wasn't. You stole that shit. Give it to me right now, asshole.
You better step back before you regret it, girl. I mean it. You want me to cut you, bitch?
Please. Please, step back.
You're kidding. Put that down.
Comunque, quanto deve tenerci Max a Chloe per impugnare una pistola, sapendo che lei non è adatta a questo genere di cose, cioè le vedi più su Chloe che su Max.
That is hilarious. Oh, man. I'll remember you, kid. I'll remember you almost shot me. And you'll wish I had no memory, because I never forget. You have until Friday to pay me. Don't ever pull crap like this again. It'll be the last time you do. Try bullets next time, brainiacs.
Abbiamo guadagnato un nemico, yeah!
Sorry.
You were awesome. Thanks for standing up for me. Let's blow. My secret lair didn't feel secret today. At least Frank is gone. He won't fuck with us again. He just wants his money.
Jesus, I almost shot this guy. And now he'll be more dangerous to Chloe and me.
E dove è andata Chloe?
Wowzer. Why did Frank have Rachel's bracelet? We need to talk about this later, but Chloe's waiting to go for a walk. We both need...
I still can't believe you pulled a gun on Frank. That was epic.
It felt awful. I'm glad there was no bullets in there.
You can just rewind time in your hand and stick that barrel right up Frank's ass. You have the power!
You're gross. Don't fall.
I'm just glad you were here.
Me too. I think. Chloe, why the hell are you hanging around scary losers like Frank? It's weird.
Let's take a break and I'll talk. Feels like a different world, huh? I wish we could stay forever.
Can we build another pirate fort and keep the world out?
We need a new secret hangout. At least Frank wouldn't find us. Are you okay, Max?
Seriously, Chloe, this is scary. What if Frank tries to track us down?
I'm sorry. But Frank isn't as hardcore as he fronts. All he cares about is his cash, stash, and mangy dog.
Chloe, did you see what just happened? I almost shot him. I know I could rewind, but Chloe, this is not playtime. No more guns.
Max, I know. Crazy shit is the new normal for me. That's why I plan to leave Arcadia Bay without paying Frank off.
Now, tell me exactly what's going on between you and Frank. Does he have a last name?
Frank Bowers, he's just a dealer, where I get my weed. The one in your joint, remember? Anyway, Frank and I kind of hung out.
Is this your bad boy phase?
No, it's my trying to scrounge some quick cash so Rachel and I could get the hell out of here phase. Frank had quick cash, that's all.
That's it?
No, I want to know how Frank got Rachel's bracelet. What do you think?
Qua c'è tutta una cosa un po' da indagare.
I don't know anymore. My brain is so fried from all this.
Traumatizzata, Max.
I need a mental enema.
It's so weird talking to you about this insane crap. We haven't hung out this much since we were tweens, and it's like no time has passed. I wish Rachel was here to meet you.
Do you think that Rachel and I would have been friends?
You're not that different. She has a great eye for images and for art. Plus, she's a smartass like you. We would all be hella best friends forever.
Cosa carina.
I know she must be as cool as you are. I have no doubt we'll meet soon.
Railroad tracks always make me feel better. I have no idea why.
Kerouac knew. It's the romance of travel and movement. The sound of the train whistle at night.
Look at the beat poet here.
I'd rather be a good photographer.
You are. You just have to stop being afraid.
Che dettagli negli occhi che hanno fatto. Vai, dai!
Hold on, Chloe.
Ma che diavolo, non potresti mandare indietro nel tempo e dire di non mettersi lì?
Find something! Free me!
Corri, corri.
I can definitely use this bad boy.
Hurry!
Dai.
Shit, I can't budget at all.
Ma come c'hai un piede di porco? C'hai un piede di... Ah, perché ho scritto male.
Score.
Corri, 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 vai, vai, apri. Non morire, Chloe, non per l'ennesima volta. Eccole. Prendi.
Now I can pull a total MacGyver.
Dai, dai, dai. Serve qualcos'altro? No. Ma devo fare qualcosa così.
Okay, what can I slice with
Oddio,
this?
lo sento arrivare. Fermo! Dov'è? Stai fermo! Sono persa. Dove devo andare? Che ho fatto il giro. Scendi. Disperata. Ah, è già andata. E allora, piedi di porco, vai.
You can't even move it with this crowbar? For real?
Ma allora cosa devo fare? Ah, qua.
Awesome. It's not locked.
Pinze.
But which wire to cut?
Il cavo giallo, vai, cavo giallo.
Whoa. Short Circuit City.
Torna indietro. Go back in time. Pinze.
But which
Allora
wire
il
to cut?
cavo... è sempre il cavo rosso. Se avete dei dubbi, è il cavo rosso.
Now that's the
È
right.
giusto! Buon, tira.
Yes, I did it.
E anche
Ok.
questa volta abbiamo
You saved me
salvato le
again.
chiappette.
Crazy. Now we're totally bonded for life.
Damn, that was close.
Aren't you glad I took you away to a nice, quiet, desolate spot?
It was cool to spend time in your lair, but I have to get back to school before my next class.
Since you're the mysterious superhero, I'll be your faithful chauffeur and companion.
My powers might not last, Chloe.
That's okay. We will. Forever.
Bellissimo.
Thanks for the ride, Chloe. Right on time for my art lesson.
Thanks for coming with me. Sorry to be so boring.
Noia?
Nothing
Questa la chiami
exciting
noia?
ever happens to us, right?
Listen, your rewind power has to be connected to that snow yesterday. That might explain your tornado vision.
Explain what? Snow equals a ginormous twister that takes out Arcadia Bay? You're high.
Wake up, Max. You saved my life twice now. You altered the course of my destiny, yours, and whoever. Do you know about chaos theory?
What do you know about chaos theory, Miss I Hate Math?
5 years ago, asswipe. Some people change. And your situation is the perfect storm for quantum physics.
Why me? I'm just a geek girl in some small town.
A perfect example of strange attractors? Don't they teach you kids anything at Blackwell? We have a tornado, rewind power, and freak snow. Hello, Armageddon. So let's party with your power, Rockstar!
Like you said, Professor Price, a superhero needs a sidekick.
How can it be such a shitty week and yet one of the best of my life?
Because we're back in action again.
Che bella l'amicizia, quella vera. Questo è il classico esempio che nella vita si può cambiare, si può perdonare e si può costruire qualcosa di migliore assieme. Mi sa che abbiamo finito l'episodio da come ci
I
sta
have a little time
mostrando.
before Mr. Jefferson's class, so I can do some wandering.
No, non è vero, non abbiamo finito l'episodio.